Bonjour French ladies, we have just moved in, we signed for a new house yesterday and this morning we've arrived, we're starting to move in. So I just wanted to show you around each room before bringing things in. So this is our kitchen, the kitchen, so I'm going to switch. So here you are, I'm in the center of the room, maybe I should go by the door. So we need to do some decorating. We have beams on the ceiling. There's a window there we need to change. There's a wooden cabinet below. So this is the floor of the kitchen. But we don't like it, so we'll change it in time. Really, the kitchen is not to our taste, of course, but little by little we make changes. So this was the old fireplace. It had an old coat of arms. And during the revolution, they need to scrape out, they used to destroy all the coat of arms, anything that showed you were aristocratic. So that's why you can see some scrapes here in the stone. This house has a lot of history. So we are so proud to be the new owners. There, the fireplace, we're going to do something here. They have put something that's called an enquiries for the fireplace. You can see all that. Wait a second. All this is new, but the old stone fireplace is here on the other side. So the kitchen will need to be replaced, but we're going to do changes very simple. We're not going to do massive changes, but of course there's some decorating to do because this house has not been used for a few years. It's so excited to be in a new place. They've never been here before, the first time. What is it, Coco? Qu'est-ce que t'as vu? Qu'est-ce que t'as vu? The little wooden cabinet for the electric meter with a door here. So this is the hallway. An old close peg on the side. Door here. Here you have a little kind of a lounge with an old stone fireplace here. And the fireplace works well. It's small, window, central heating again, and you have a little bathroom here. So here we have my studio. So you can see there's some decorating to do. We have a door here, we have a big window, and completely empty. And this is probably, as I said, this is a studio, so it will be the first room we're going to decorate and get ready because I need to start shooting my videos. So you can see there's quite a lot to do. That's an old grandfather clock, that. Which is around here. It's a local clock. It's old. An old buffet, the cuisine. This one will go into the kitchen. We've bought a few pieces of the owners. So let's have a look. So we have a lovely utility room here with stone floor. And we have a little room under the stairs. It's really dark, so I'll have to show you. I'll have to show you when it's daylight. There's no light. So it's right under the staircase. Great for storing wine. So there's an old sink in there. The door for the outside, we'll probably change it. We have central heating. So that's the central heating. Here we have, as usual, we've got the toilets here in front. You need separate toilets from the bathroom. And here you have a shower room. Voilà, it's very basic, but as I said, it's an old farmhouse, about 300 years old. Okay, right, so let's have a look. stairs. So here are the stairs. There are stone staircase. Because we are in the tower, so they turn. And let's have a look. Come on. Coco, you coming? Come on. Let's have a look at this one. I like the old doors. You can see they have some glass, old glass here. And that's one of the bedrooms. Got a beautiful view. An old fireplace. Big beam running all along the ceiling. We have to clean that up. The first time that the dogs have been here. Another door with glass in the middle. Another room. Fireplace here. Fireplace in every bedroom. And that's a room that is a little bit smaller, so there's not much in it, just a frame, an old bed frame. Come on, bunnies! Go, go, come on! So this is a small bedroom, and this is where I will store all my clothes. And I have an old Bonjour here. That's an old one. And a view to the outside of the countryside. And now the other bedroom, main bedroom. And we have another bedroom here, big bedroom. That is a huge fireplace here. Huge, huge, huge. You can see here how deep that is. So I think that's a casing, and behind that is a big fireplace, maybe stone. You can see the stone hearth here. That's stone. Yes, Coco, show us. And I think there's a fireplace, stone fireplace behind it. And a big window with the countryside. That is lovely. Everything is empty. I wanted to show you that is a field at the back. So we have a couple of old windows that have not been done. So we'll have to have this done. We'll have them replaced. Big radiators, nice and hot. And here we've got an old little KGB little cupboard. Little cupboard that is old. Maybe to put linen in. That is old French. Where am I? Yes. So that runs from the bottom here all the way to the top. To close at the top here. That's good. Back in the tower here, and we'll have a bathroom over here, and we'll have plenty of lofts upstairs. This is the first day that we actually own the property, so we're going to walk around and get a feel for everything, and walk the dogs at the same time, and enjoying ourselves for half an hour or an hour. So here is one of the dépendances. It's a bit wet at the moment. It's winter, so go. We have some stables. Stabulation here. This is really big dépendance, a little bit dark maybe. So you can see here, they used to breed horses here, and you can see that they've won many awards. Some stables need to be cleaned up, and that's why they used to keep the mares. 2 big stables here. More space out here. Okay. So here we have another place where maybe they used to store, maybe they had some small animals. There's some rings as well here. They stored some straw or something. You can see how old that is. Something else here. Wow. So that was some more animals. Yeah. You can see the water. Les abreuvoirs. One more. Here they used to prepare the feed for the animals. There used to be a big feeder here that they removed. Come on, Peanut. It's a good. So come over here. I want to show you something really special. Come with me. So what could be this little house be? Can you guess? Come on. All farms in France, and here in Normandy, in the Cotentin, we still have the bakery. These were big farms, and they had a bakery. The bakery was always at the end of the garden, or at the bottom of a field, just away from the house. So if something, because it was a big oven here, it was for safety. So this one is one of the gardens of the house, and what we plan to do is leave it in grass, and in the summer enjoy eating under the walnut tree over there. You can see the big walnut tree here by the house. That would be very, very enjoyable, I think. So we own 3 fields here, and we have a farmer still using a part of the stables here to have a few heifers for the winter, and in the spring he leaves that free for us. So hopefully we'll have some horses at some point. That will be very nice, and it's going to look very enjoyable to be in the countryside, in a farm, and give life to this farm again. So now let's go back to the house. I like the middle. You have a little lawn here in the middle, and you can drive all around. I like that. Very peaceful, calming, and I will shoot as many videos for you as I can.